Hey, welcome back. Today's activity we're going to be doing is making beehives. All you need to make this project at home is a plastic Easter egg, and you're just going to cut the bottom off as so. You will need some twine or jute or yarn, a hot glue gun, so you want to make sure that there's parental supervision when using that, scissors, and some black paint and a paintbrush. And that's all you need. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so after you cut your egg, the bottom off your egg to make your little beehive, then you take your hot glue gun and you be very careful and put the glue around the egg, and then take your twine and stick it,
or any other material you have.
Yep, you can use yarn as well, you're right, or jute. You just spiral it around.
I need help to make this one more.
There you go. Want to keep going? Yeah, glue them together. Glue those together.
Wait for your toes done.
Let's see, take your hands off for a second so I can see what you got. Oh, there we go.
Now we're going to put the loop on the top. So with the leftover twine, we're going to take a little glue on the top there. And put an angle like this.
And let it sit, not for a very long time, like for
Set it in there. Let it dry for a few seconds.
10 seconds maybe.
Let's see it now. Perfect. All right.
Putting on the window.
Making the hole for the bee to go into. So we put the glue in a circle.
So I need a new piece of yarn because that piece will not work. Maybe that piece would. Yep.
And we're gonna
Now,
take.
page number 9. Shit. And now there's the perfect finger. My power finger. Where'd my power finger go?
Oh, just make a little circle.
Nobody make my power. Oh, I can't make some around here. Everything's right up. And the blue. It just needs It just needs to see. That's fine. I'm quite so
Very good. And now we're gonna paint the center of the circle of the hole. So it looks like it's cut out and dark in there.
But if you have to look inside, it's actually just open.
And hold it up, Pass. Let's see what it looks like now that you're done.
Just gotta do that.
Very cool. Excellent.
Wait.
And there you have it, our finished beehive. And we've made a little bee out of pipe cleaners, so if you've got pipe cleaners, you can do that as well. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this craft and join us again next time. Have a great day.